Hi guys, today in Tech Talk 101 SD, we are going to see how you can install Google Play Beta on your PC. Now this will allow you to play Android games on your PC using keyboard and mouse. Let us know which game you would like to install. So let's start. Open any browser of your choice and go to this website. URL is provided on description below. As it states, take mobile gaming to your PC. Explore and play mobile games on PC with Google Play Games Beta. To get started, download it on a computer that meets the minimum requirement. Now, what are the minimum requirements? OS, Windows 10, storage, solid state drive, SSD, with 10 GB of available storage space. Graphics, Intel UHD graphics, 630 GPU or comparable. Processor, 4 CPU physical cores. Some games require an Intel CPU. Memory, 8 GB of RAM. Windows admin account. Hardware, virtualization must be turned on. Now click on the green download beta button. It will download the installer file. Double click on the installer file to start installation process. If any security warning prompts, just click run. Then it will ask for location where you want to install it. I will keep it to the default. Now click on install. Then give it some time to download and install. After installation is complete, you will see an icon will appear on your desktop. Now on the program, it will ask you for sign in with Google. Just sign in with the account you use on your mobile Google Play. Now confirm your profile. Click looks good if that is your profile, or you can switch profile if needed. Then in terms and conditions, click accept. Now in privacy, you can toggle on or off the option that helps improve your experience. Lastly, click finish. The Google Play Games Beta will open up. Now you'll see lots of games over there that you can install and enjoy. Now to install and play most games, you might need to turn on additional settings. Just click on continue if this shows up. Turn on virtualization settings. Additional settings, including Windows hypervisor platform, must be turned on to install and play most of the games on this PC. Click on the continue. After it's done, it will ask you to restart your PC, or in my case laptop. Click yes. Now install and play any one of the games you like. Hope this was informative to you. Consider liking the video and subscribing to my channel.